Welcome to Drummond Central School!
Welcome to Drummond Central School. I am Sue Byers, the proud Vice Principal of DCS, the home of the bees. I am new to Drummond, and in my short time here, I have discovered that Drummond is a small school with a big heart. The staff are so pleased to be back, and we are happy to provide the students the opportunity to rediscover what a wonderful place school is. At Drummond, we strive to create a safe, caring, fun, and inclusive environment that will prepare all students for a successful life and support our students in becoming lifelong learners. The schoolyard and the beautiful school front is what you will notice when you first arrive at Drummond. As you make your way around the playground, you will soon see how easy it has been for our school to focus on outdoor experiential learning. Our vegetable garden has been growing vegetables since 2014, and over the last 7 years, the students have harvested hundreds of pumpkins, squash, and many pounds of potatoes, beets, carrots, kale, and garlic. At DCS, we continue to embrace experiential, hands-on learning with our kindergarten outdoor classrooms. At Drummond, the students have also been known to gather sap and make our own maple syrup. I will be learning alongside the students this spring as we gather sap and make syrup. We are encouraging our students this year to make their mark, to be themselves, and let us see what only they can do. I hope you enjoy your tour of DCS, the place to be.
Welcome to DCS. So we are a small community in a small school. We have amazing teachers and amazing students.
I like being in Drummond because you see a lot of familiar faces, and like if you walk in, you'll know who people are. Like you can wave at people and it won't be awkward.
So Drummond is such a great school because almost all the kids have a desktop computer in front of them.
All the gym and outside equipment that I get to play with. There's lots of soccer nets, and my favorite sport is soccer.
And what's your favorite thing about your classroom?
Well, the classroom, I like to move to different centers every week.
I'm new to this school, and I like that I'm with a few of my friends. We have a lot of fun activities we do outside, and yeah.
It's a nice place because it's fun, there's lots of welcoming people, the teachers are very welcoming. It's just nice to be here.
What are some things you like to laugh at?
Well, if somebody says like kangaroo, then that is very funny.
A kangaroo? Can you imagine if there was a kangaroo in your classroom? Bad enough, you have a bee that came in there last week. Remember that? Oh my gosh.
Yo, 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 this is your local Drummond School bee, Bumble here. Just wanting to tell you how much I love hanging out at Drummond Central School. The flowers are amazing to smell. The children are wonderful. I try not to sting any of them. They run faster than I can fly anyhow. And I enjoy hanging out on the swings when they're in class. Lots of great outdoor space here at Drummond, and if you happen to drive by and see me buzzing around the yard, give a friendly wave.